So guys, in this video, I'll be talking about tomorrow's market analysis, that is for 3rd of August, and this will be based on my very unique calculation. No indicators, it's a formula based calculation. Okay, I'll be telling you Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, and also the two stocks with the levels what you can observe for tomorrow. And please note, this video is only for educational purpose. Before you trade or invest on this stock or on this level, you can do your own analysis as well. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the Nifty 50 analysis for tomorrow. So for Nifty 50, what you have to do is, once the market opens tomorrow at 9:15, just see the opening price and add opening price plus 240 to find out the maximum high what the Bank Nifty can, that's the Nifty, what it can go for to high it can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 240 to find out the maximum low what the Nifty 50 can go for tomorrow. It can also be treated as maximum support and the maximum resistance level, and opening price plus 120 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 120 to find out the key support level for Nifty 50. And now let's talk about Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, just add opening price plus 690 to find out the maximum high what the Bank Nifty can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 690 to find out the maximum low what the Bank Nifty can go for tomorrow, and opening price plus 345 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 345 to find out the key support level. So this is the analysis for Bank Nifty. Okay, and before I tell you the two stocks what I've selected for tomorrow's intraday trading, I would like to tell you, if you guys are new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn the whole concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support with daily live market guidance as well. Okay, so you can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and also the daily live trades what I've uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. And once you join us, you get daily live market support as well. Okay, so once you join us, even in live market, I'll be guiding you personally with the same trades what I take, and the analysis video what you're seeing right now might be different from tomorrow what I'll be trading. Okay, so I might trade in the different stocks, so you will get instant live market update and live market guidance from me once you join us, and it's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support, so you get everyday live market handholding from me once you join us. Okay, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's talk about the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. So the first stock will be Lupin. For Lupin, what you have to do is just see the opening price at 9:15 tomorrow and add opening price plus 23 to find out the maximum high what the stock can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 23 to find out the maximum low what the stock can go for tomorrow, and opening price plus 12 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 12 to find out the key support level of Lupin. And the next stock is Oltas. So for Oltas, just see the opening price and add opening price plus 13 to find out the maximum high, and opening price minus 13 to find out the maximum low, and opening price plus 6 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 6 to find out the key support level. So these are the two stocks for tomorrow's intraday trading, that is Lupin and Oltas. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. And yes, if you guys wish to get the live market guidance from me and want to learn from me with the years and years of experience, you can join us today. You can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me personally, and I shall guide you guys personally to make consistent profit in intraday trading. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.